What's up, Mzansi? Whether you are chilling in Soweto, hustling in Cape Town, or taking a study break in Polokwane, welcome to the channel where we make maths so clear, even Gogo will say, Ish, now that one I understand. So grab your pen, your book, and a little bit of hope, because today we're tackling simplifying and solving quadratic equations. So the first one, we are given x squared minus y squared all over 5x minus 5y. Okay, fam, this one looks scary, but don't stress. Maths is like a puzzle. Find the pieces that fits. So step one, let's spot the pattern. The top part is x squared minus y squared. When you see two squares with a minus, your brain must shout difference of two squares. So the top is difference of two squares. So I'm going to simplify it too by factorizing, right? So it's going to be x and x minus y plus y all over. And then let's go to the denominator. You see, on the denominator, we just have a common factor of 5. So we take it out. We have x minus y inside the bracket. And then we can see that this and that brackets are going to cancel each other. And we're just going to be remaining with x plus y over 5. Right? And then now we are done with this, right? So you see that common factor? 5 is chilling on both x and y. So we take it out like a bad influence at a group project. Okay, so always take out a common factor like a bad influence at a group project. All right. Thank you.